What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to get WhatsApp on your Itel smartwatch. So if you want to be able to activate and be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages from your phone to any Itel smartwatch you have, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. But first things first, you actually have to connect your Itel smartwatch to your phone. So the first step is to actually go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth and service location of your phone. So make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and then also make sure that the service location or location is turned on your phone as well. You want to go ahead and find out the app that your Itel smartwatch actually uses. Now, Itel actually has different smartwatches, and sometimes some of these smartwatches actually uses different smartwatch app. You should be able to find the QR code scanner app from the list of apps on the smartwatch, or sometimes you can just go over to the settings and you should be able to find the QR code scanner app from over here. Select it and then make sure you scan the QR code on your Itel smartwatch using the camera of your phone. Open this up on the browser, and from here you will see the app that your own Itel smartwatch uses. Mine is actually the Fit Cloud Pro smartwatch app. In your case, it might actually be different. It might be the iPulse or any other smartwatch app. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and download this app into your phone. Since I am using an Android phone, I will select the Google Play Store download over here, and I can just get the app directly from here. Once the app is downloaded and installed, before you go ahead to open it up, if your Itel smartwatch actually has Bluetooth feature, then make sure you enable or turn on the Bluetooth feature on your Itel smartwatch as well. If you cannot find the Bluetooth feature from the settings of the smartwatch or from the list of apps on the smartwatch, you don't have to worry. What that means is that Bluetooth is automatically enabled by default on your own Itel smartwatch. So what you want to do now is to go ahead and open up the app. Proceed to set it up, so click on the agree button over here. Go ahead and sign into the app if it requires you to sign in. I'll go ahead and create an account over here, enter my email. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on the register button over here, and now you'll be asked to set up the app. So proceed to fill in all of this information, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on the next button over here. Click on next, and now we are good to go. Now the app will start to search for available devices it can actually connect to, or sometimes you will actually have to look for the search devices option so that you can actually search and connect to your Itel smartwatch. So click on the OK button over here and click on allow so that it can use our location to search for devices. Now, as you can see over here, it is searching for devices, and at the top is actually the name of my Itel smartwatch. I'll go ahead and select it, click on pair. And just like so, both devices are now successfully connected together. If you want to be able to get all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your Itel smartwatch, what you want to do is to go over to the devices tab at the bottom over here, click on the finish button at the bottom, click on continue, and then click on turn on, click on OK. Just give it all of the permission it requires. Click on OK as well, click on allow. Now just go ahead and look for the name of your Itel smartwatch from the list of apps over here. So click on the Fit Cloud Pro in my case. Now make sure you turn on the allow notification access permission from over here. Now what you want to do is to go back to your smartwatch app, and from over here you can now enable or turn on any social media you want to be able to receive messages and notifications from your phone to your Itel smartwatch. I can go ahead and toggle this on or off for the WhatsApp app, and once this is turned on, I should now be able to receive all of my WhatsApp messages and notifications. Meanwhile, if you're still not able to get all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications, simply just go over to the settings of your phone, locate the application settings from over here, select that. You want to go ahead and find the app of your Itel smartwatch. Mine is actually the Fit Cloud Pro. I will go ahead and select it, and then under notifications over here, you want to go ahead and turn on the show notification permission. Also, you want to go ahead and look for the WhatsApp app as well. Select WhatsApp from over here, and then make sure that under notification, you also toggle on the show notification permission for WhatsApp as well. Once this is done, you should now be able to get all of your messages into your Itel smartwatch without any problem. So I have just sent a WhatsApp message to myself using my other WhatsApp, and you can literally see I actually got the message from my number saying, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can literally see that. And on my Itel smartwatch over here, you can literally see, click on messages, you can literally see the message I just got from over here saying, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel from my number as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.